Coming. The high-speed rotating underwear washing machine was made by me. Stop, whatever you want. Female celebrities also need to do laundry. Cute Loopy's cute little knee put it all in. Door opening drawings. Stick a roller in the comments section. Rotary shaft installed on the back. And you attach the rollers to the body. Folded box paper spring put in. Fold a piece of paper and stick it to the spring. Roll 2 small paper tubes and stick them together. Stick to the paper. Stick it well. The machine is done. The main body is glued. Make a hood and stick it on. You Ray done. Hey, it's so cute to stick it on.